Good evening, dear students. Today we are doing the remaining questions of the exercise 3D. Question number 13. Find the smallest number by which 252 must be multiplied to get a perfect square, and also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. So first we have to find the prime factorization of the 252. So we get the 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. So you are see there 2 make the pair and 3 make the pair. What? 7 is not make the pair. To make it is a perfect square, so we are multiply by the 7 on the both the side. When 252 is multiplied to the 7, we get the 1764. Now the 1764 is a perfect square number. And then 2 make the pair, 3 make the pair, and 7 is also now make the pair. Now take the square root on the both the sides. So we get the square root of 1764 equal to the square root of 2 into 2, 3 into 3, and 7 into 7. So from each pair only one number is come out in the square root. So in the pair of 2, 2 is come out. In the pair of 3, 3 is come out. And in the pair of 7, 7 is come out. Now multiply 2 into 3 into 7, we get the 42. So the square root of the 1764 is 42. So the required smallest number is 7, that we have to multiply in the 252. So we get a perfect square number, and the 42 is the square root of the perfect square number 1764. Next is 14. In the 14, find the smallest number by which 2925 must be divided to obtain a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. So similar we are doing. First we are find the prime factorization of the 2925. We get the 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 13. So you are see there 5 make the pair and 3 make the pair, but 13 is not make the pair. So we are divided by 13 on the both the side to make it is a perfect square. We are divided both side by the 13. So when we are divided 2925 divided by 13, we get the 225, and here 13 and 13 is cancel out. So remaining is 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Now take the square root on both the sides. So we get the square root of 225 equal square root of the 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So here from the each pair only one number is come out in the square root. So in the pair of 3, 3 is come out. In the pair of 5, 5 is come out. So 5 3 is 15. Square root of 225 is 15. So the smallest number is 13, that we have to divide it by the given number, and 15 is the square root of the perfect square number 225. Next is 15. In the 15, 1225 plants are to be planted in a garden in a such a way that each row contain as many plants as the number of rows. What is the meaning of this one? There are total number of plants are 1225, and they are planted like that. There are the number of rows and number of plants, both are equal. Then find the number of rows and number of plants in each row. So let the number of row is x. Then according to the question, number of plants in each row is also x, because the number of row and number of columns are equal. Now the total plants are 1225. So how we have to find the total plants? 1225 is the number of row into number of plants. So x into x equal 1225. When x is multiplied 2 times, it becomes x square equal 1225. When square gone on the other side, it becomes the square root. So x equal square root of 1225. Now find the prime factorization of the 1225. We get the 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. Here 5 make the pair and 7 make the pair. So from the each pair 5 is come out. From this pair 7 is come out. 5 into 7 is 35. So x equal 35. Hence the number of rows are 35 and number of plants in each row is also the 35. Next is question number 17. Find the least square number which is exactly divisible by each of the numbers 6, 9, 15 and 20. So you are see there we have to find the least square number, not the least number. We have to find the least square number. So we have to find the least number that is also a perfect square number. So we are know that the least number divisible by each of the numbers 6, 9, 15 and 20 is their LCM. So first we have to find the LCM of the 6, 9, 15 and 20. So we get the 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So you are see this one is not a perfect square number. So it is least number but it is not a square number. So to make it is a perfect square number, we are multiply both side by the 5. So here we are multiply both side by the 5. So we get the 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. We get the 180 into 5. So 900. So 900 is the least square number which is exactly divisible by each of the numbers 6, 9, 15 and 20. Similarly, you are doing the 18. Your homework is to complete the exercise 3D in your copy. Thank you.